Best talk tayo ng mga kapuso, kauban si Attorney Resi Rizada. Resi!
Daghang salamat, Arjo. May buntag mga kapuso ug welcome to Best Talk. Excited kaayo kung makauban karong buntaga sa Best Talk ang usa ka kapuso actor and actress and at the same time real life couple. Wala lain kundi si kapusong Marina Benipayo and Ricardo Cepeda. Maayong buntag, Miss Marina and Sir Ricardo, and welcome dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. How are you guys doing?
Okay. You're fine.
At maayong buntag sa lahat. And welcome to At Home with GMA Regional TV. Oh.
Ayan. Thank you so much and welcome sa Mindanao. Kumusta ang ating very happy couple? You know, we're so excited, to learn a lot from you guys and of course, to know that there's still hope and love and #myforever. At umpisahan na po natin ang chikahan. How did you guys discover na you were each other's the one?
Siya magkikwento.
Ay.
Wait, in the beginning.
Time.
Ay, mahaba-habang istorya pala ito.
In the beginning, nawala pa yata kayo sa mundo. Attorney Jenny. 1986 pa yun.
Magkakilala na kami.
I went to gym instructor ako, nakita ko siya across the street, nasa karinderya, nagpakilala ako.
Student lang ako.
Student siya, student din ako, pero working pareho. So, parang gusto siyang impress. I was a model. Kaka-start ko lang mag-modeling eh. So sinabi ko sa kanya, why don't you be a model? Dahil ang tangkad eh. 5'10" siya eh. Magka-height kami. So sabi ko, why don't you be a model kasi bagay sa'yo? Sabi niya, not interested. Pero a few months later, biglang winning siya sa mga modeling contest pala.
Tapos after a few years, naging artista na kasi siya. So hindi na kami nagkikita talaga. Except for probably through the 3 decades.
Once in a while, may mga judging, na pareho kaming judge, gano'n.
And then, nagkaroon ng serye, siya yung
tatay ng bida.
And then, the circumstances, ako yung kinuha na maging nanay. Ex-wife niya. So, parang na-reunite kami ulit. And then, 9 years ago, in October of 2011, Max! Naging kami.
Officially as a couple.
We came out to be we had come from previous relationships. May mga anak na kami who were already pretty much grown. And then, biglang parang hindi na sister ang tingin ko sa kanya.
Something more than that na.
Sabi ko, brother lang tingin ko sa'yo.
So, paano yun? If you guys had been a couple nung 1986 pa, do you think it would have worked between the two of you?
Baka hindi.
Tinatanong din sa amin yan.
But at the time, wala talaga sa isip na at all. We saw each other as cute, but no attraction like, I saw she was pretty, maganda, but I had no, at that time, walang time to even consider a relationship.
Ako din. So, we probably would have been too busy to even nurture a relationship. Or even start one.
And then maybe even, let's say, a few years later, nung nag-start talaga modeling and parang I don't think we were mature enough or our minds were focused enough for that. So, I doubt.
Yeah.
Alright. And yes, go ahead, Marina.
Because the right lang yung timing na nagkita kami ulit and then it was time for us to really nurture a relationship. Nung 40s na kami 40s na kami noon.
50 na.
50 na siya doon.
49.
49, yun. At saka ngayon na, 9 years na kayo, how do you guys keep your relationship growing?
Laugh a lot.
We laugh too much minsan para kaming siraulo na. We always have fun everywhere. We play a lot. We enjoy each other's company. Lalo na nitong COVID since March. Di ba nung lockdown? We realized na we could get stuck with each other forever. And then minsan pag naisip ko na I don't know if I could probably last that long if it was somebody else. Talagang nagkataon lang na okay, check. If blessed lang. It's just really honestly blessed, the right timing. It was totally unexpected, and then when we saw each other, we just saw each other as an old friend. Now, hello, old friend. Welcome to the set. Let's be friends here. Friend. Tapos mamaya, parang nabimiss ko siya.
Naks naman. Parang sabi ko, parang you guys were parang destined siguro for each other. Do you think it was destiny?
Yeah, we think so too. And it came at the right time. You know, no relationship is 100% perfect. But so far kasi we are able to adjust to each other so well. So, and we laugh a lot.
Sabi ko, kinikilig ako. Gusto ko talagang kilig, hindi ko kayang ma-express ngayon. But let's invite lahat ng ating mga kapuso, lalo na dito sa Mindanao, na abangan kayo sa Descendants of the Sun.
Ay, salamat sa inyo, everybody in Mindanao. We're so glad that everybody's all fine.
Salamat po sa lahat ng nag-support, nanonood na Descendants of the Sun. Maraming salamat sa inyo, and always ingat po. Salamat din sa At Home with GMA Regional TV!
Wow! Thank you very much. We would have wanted to have more time with you guys, but maraming salamat. Sa susunod na lang na interview, dagan kaayong salamat for joining us dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Salamat!
Thank you! Bye!
Thank you! And that was Kapusong Marina Benipayo and Ricardo Cepeda. Tutok lang mo mga kapuso, kay mo balik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.